Man, inflation is so high, it couldn't pass a drug test. And it's impacted the solar industry. Lower prices and sexy interest rates made buying solar a steal from about 2017 to 2022. But in the last year, the cost of solar has seemed to make friends with Snoop Dogg. Wait, hold up, before I go on, I just want to share with you that for every subscribe we get, you help save a young man from joining the Air Force and instead join the Army. Who needs intellect when you have brute strength and masculinity? No, I'm just kidding. I wish I'd been smart enough to think of the Air Force. Don't get your tissues in a wad. So I don't mean to sound cliche here or whatever, but this whole thing with COVID took a toll on the solar industry. Remember when everyone had to stay home and factories and everything shut down? Well, that caused a slowdown in production that the solar industry would feel in the future. And that future was just recently. When factories did need to be run again, all the people were gone. And that's the human component. And that had an effect on human capital, which unfortunately has gotten a lot more expensive as well. That means that everybody from point A to Z involved in putting solar on your home has to contend with the higher cost of human capital. Man, I wish Billy Mays was here because he would be like, but wait, there's more. The Federal Reserve came in with a multi-hit combo in the form of raised interest rates. The first one happened around March of 2022, and there's been like 5 more after that, I think. That was one of the most significant increases in the cost of solar in my 10-year career. When the effect of the rate increases hit the banks, solar loans became considerably more expensive as time passed. To be clear, this impacted only people buying solar with loans, but when rates were at their lowest, it almost didn't make sense to pay cash, depending on the utility. If you're buying solar in today's market, now more than ever, it's critical that you have somebody on your side who can help you understand what you're buying, how much it's going to cost you, and take the time to answer all the important questions you need to make a sound buying decision. There's a reason why DroneQuote has the reputation it does online. It's not just a pun. We do go above and beyond. There are different ways to mitigate the cost of the solar panel system, even as pricing has increased. A partner and fiduciary at your side can help you understand the pros and cons of investing in different system sizes, components, and even system designs to get the most bang for your dollar. These other factors that influence your solar panel cost merit a video of their own. So click here to learn why your solar quotes vary in cost. You know what I'm interested in hearing is from those people that bought solar when the rates were so damn low. How do you feel about having made the fantastic decision you made back then?